Yo, what up, everybody? SlyDemon here again with some more tree planting, seed growing. All right, so I got this little IDOO, however you want to call it, indoor system, which I'm actually going to put outdoors because I have no room indoors for a little tiny thing like this. All right, so we're going to grow it in water, no soil, no mess. Quite nice. I have I think a 15 one of these. It's fucking amazing. Grows everything perfectly. But this one's going to grow strawberries for me. All right, let's get her open. All right, so first off, we have our pods that we'll put our seeds in. We got the plastic system. Looks like we got some power here. And looks like some mix for the water. Comes with an instruction booklet, but this is very, very easy to use. So yeah. Let's get it started. That one's probably a light system, huh? Okay, yeah. Alright, so first off, you got the top here, pops off just like this. Let's take the light out. And here's the water filtration system. Do they really want it to look like that? Shoot upward. Just pull it out. Okay, there we go. So the big one I had didn't tell you how to put the water in, or this filtration system, like what direction, so it's a lot of guesswork. Hopefully this one will tell us. Unwrapping the light. So fruits or vegetables, you can grow with this with the different kinds of light. It's got two settings. Okay, so here's our light housing. Looks like this bad boy will go which way? Facing outward? That's my guess. Probably it's inward, I bet, huh? Because then you got the plug, you got your switches. Okay, cool. So yeah, here's the light. Alright, let's see what's in here. We've got our A and B plant food solutions, which we'll mix, and we'll jump in here. Pretty much for this, we just add water to these, and then shake them up, and you can plant them. Alright, what do we got here? I don't know. Plastic pods. Okay, perfect. And then looks like we also have our grow caps. Alright, cool. And then my guess power is in this one. Yep, power right here. Like a fucking billion degrees in here, chat. Okay. So, first off, let's read the instructions and see how I can get this. Filtration system in there. Okay, so they want it pointing sideways. And I guess like this. However, does this move? It does. Okay. Well, what do you know? My other one did not. So look at this chat. So this moves. We're gonna have the cord on top here. And we're just gonna shove this down in here. Okay, it's in. There we go. The water level will hit that cord though. Okay, and then we're gonna send the cord out this way. And then let's see, pump will plug into right there. All right, we got the pump in. All right, cool. And pump, whatever, slide through there. All right, we'll throw the top on, and then let's get started. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna throw these things in here. That's to keep the tray captured. Did they send me one less? Oh, we got them all. Cool. All right, so you pour your water and your mixture in there. So we'll do that in a second. So something that you need to do here with these, chat, with the soil thingies here, you need to pre-soak them. So soak these things as much as you can, get them nice and fluff. And then you're going to put your seeds right in here, 2 to 3, I would say, maybe more if you want, and just drop it in there. And then you'll turn the power on with the light, and then you'll throw these caps over it until it's ready to grow, and until it gets high enough, then you'll pull it out. All right, please let me know if you have any questions. Comment in the chat of how everything's doing. All right, thanks for watching. See you.